Assalamualaikum dear teachers, how are you? Hope you are good. I'm just making a video for Zoom meeting just to tell you how we can use the Zoom, like the functions effectively, okay? So first of all, if you want to create a new meeting, you have to download the Zoom workplace from here, from the Google. Search here simple zoom.com and they will give you the place where you can install the workplace, okay? If you don't have account. After installing the workplace, just simple open Zoom and log in your account. Like I have logged in my account. Simple from here. Then click on the schedule to schedule the meetings. So let's make a demo meeting here. So here you should write the meeting title. For example, I will write here computer demo lesson, and then change the date. For example, if I'm doing for now, so just simple 3rd March, and time is set it for 8:30 to 9. Okay, and this is the same. This all the times are same. Repeat, it's up to you. If you want to repeat the meeting, click here. Repeat daily at 8:30 or weekly on Tuesday, okay, or every weekend, etc. And then you can also invite the parents or the students from here by entering their email ID if you know that. So if you don't know, just simple share them with them the email, the link. Now here, just write the password. For example, I write here comp G4, okay, and save. Now the meeting for the 3rd March. Now this is the 4th March. That's why it's not showing it here. So you have to go to the 3rd March, and then here you will find the meeting. Now for example, if I click here and I want to invite someone, simple copy this and then send it to the class groups. Or you can also do one more thing, like simple click here, these dots, copy invitation, and then simple and send this to your class groups. Okay, now see the meeting timing is here, so I can start here. Once you start the meeting, for example, if you want to blur the background and everything, just simple go in the backgrounds before starting the meeting. Now for example, I want to use this one, and I want also to make it video filter, so it's up to you. Then simple close it and start. Now you can also turn on the camera and you will see the background is the one which we made, the virtual one. Okay, so now for the recording the meeting, simple click on the more option and then click record here, this option, and then
recording
the meeting will
in progress.
And it will also say that it will also show it here. The meeting is being recorded. Now the main thing is how you can share the screen. So once you click this option, it will ask you which screen you want to share. If you want to share a specific window like Word document or PDF file, click here. For example, if I want to share only this, I will just click here. But if you want to share the entire screen, click this option. Now if you want to, for example, I shared this one. Sure. There are many students who are just making the lines here during the when you share the screen. So simple click on the more option and click here disable annotations for other. Then these students cannot make the line or cannot draw something when you are presenting it. Okay. And once you have shared, if you think that the students are making so much noise and you want to mute them, simply click these options, click here host tools for participants, and then from here you can click unmute themselves to no. Now the participants cannot unmute themselves once you mute them. Okay, and I have seen many students in my lesson, they are chatting here. So simple open here the chat and click here the three dots. Now click here no one. So participant cannot send message here, only you can send the message here. For example, the classwork, any question answer, any page number, only you can share it here. If you want to open for the participant again, simple click on the chat and then click here three dots, then everyone. Now if you want to chat with any specific student or any parents is requesting, just click on this and search the name whatever the name is in the meeting. Okay, then you can do that. And if you want to talk to everyone, just send a message here. Okay, once you have shared the screen and now you want to stop sharing, simple click stop share, and now you will back to the meeting area. And the most important thing is, when your meeting is done and you want to end the meeting, simple, first of all, record settings, just pause it, stop recording.
Recording stopped.
Then the recording and it will be saved in your files. And then click on more options. Click on this option, the end one, and click here end meeting for all. Because if you will click on leave meeting, then only you will leave the meeting. The students will be there. So just simple click end meeting for all. Okay. And now how to use the whiteboard. For example, I click here share settings, and the students are opening the whiteboard by themselves. So simple, uh, just put all the settings to host. Okay, so I click here in the settings and just wait. In this setting, put everything to the host tools, display and controls. All the things should be for the host only, because if you will select for the other person, see now this one who can share, only host, who can participate, and at the same time one person at the same time, and host can only share now. And if you will do this, all participants can share by themselves the screen. So just simple click host, and once you go to advanced option, there is a whiteboard. So simple here, all the participants in the meeting cannot know. Just simple again put it to the host, because now only then you can share the whiteboard and the students can't. Because if you will allow them to share the whiteboard, then they will share they will draw something like in my class students were drawing something while I am teaching. So just simple put it on the host only, and now the students cannot draw anything on the whiteboards. And if you still have any questions, just let me know. Okay, and simple, if you want to share any documents, click here. Just a whiteboard, you can click here. Now in the whiteboard, for example, there are many other options. Just let it load. New whiteboard, simple click. Now you can draw here, you can highlight something. If you write something here, you can allow a student at the same time to write. For example, you made two groups here, group A and group B. Now group A will write the answers here, group B will write the answers here at the same time, and you can just simply check the answers. Okay, and if you want to erase all, just simply click clear page, and then all the page will be clear. And also, if you want to, like, simple any shape you want to insert, you can insert the shapes here also. For example, if you want to write any dialog box here, any message here, simple select the settings for the fonts, etc., and then title of the page here. Or you can ask the students open page 56, etc. So in this way you can manage your whiteboard. Again, for the text, there are many options for the text. You can simply write the text anywhere in this whiteboard, and you can create two columns also from the shapes. Like simple here, I can make shape, and then simply big. Now the students can write in this area, and also you can draw the line so that the two groups can enter their answers here. They can also insert from in the chat box. You can also make a simple small chat box here to let them enter the answer. Right, answer here. Okay, so I hope you understand this, and if you still have any questions, just let me know. Okay, and I will share this video on my channel, and you can see there. I will send the link also in the class. Thank you.